Our world today requires a change of perspective. One that allows us to see it from a wider point of view. One that recognizes long-term planning. And a commitment to the future of our environment. In Pandalgudi, South India, at the mines of Ramco Cements, we are able to witness such a project. One that has transformed a worked-out mine into a landscape of hope. That will inspire us in our thinking about the way we wish to leave the planet for future generations. In a little over 18 months, this flagship restoration project, designed by Auroville Botanical Gardens, has planted over 200,000 trees and shrubs. And this is just the beginning, as the long-term vision over the next 5 years is to cover 800 acres. This will be a land that welcomes people, young and old, who are ready to witness the power of nature to restore the environment around us. We are working with local plants, transforming the area from a barren, rocky landscape into one that is now home to over 80 species of native trees and shrubs, with an ever-increasing population of birds, butterflies, and other animals. We are rebuilding a resilient ecosystem that will have a profound impact not only on the local environment, but one that will reverberate around the mining industry. Ramco is showing a new way forward as we move into the UN decade of ecological restoration. Together, we are creating a better future.